how to change email on Instagram. So yeah guys, let's do this. First of all, open the Instagram. Then once you've opened, you need to tap on the profile right bottom right corner of here, and it will bring you the main page. Once you tap on the three dot at the top right corner, you will able to see the account center. Keep remember your all information about Instagram. So in account center, you need to tap on account center. Scroll a little bit down, you will find out your personal details. Tap on it, and then tap on again password and security. First tap on the profile and select the account like this, and then you will find easily your email in Instagram. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this.